Hello, greetings to everyone and welcome to Academics Higher Engineering Academy. If it's your first time watching my videos, then do well to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification so that when I upload subsequent videos, you shall be notified to come and watch. Today in this video, we shall be looking at Fet Physics of 2022 session, uniquely question 30. Okay, yeah, question 30. Now, you can get to me on WhatsApp via this number that has been displayed on your screen. If you are facing challenges or you need assistance, if you want to write Fet and you need help, you message me on WhatsApp and then I'll respond to you. Let's get started with the question 30. Now the question reads: in an RLC circuit, the current in the circuit is I equal to this quantity, where V is the voltage. Now consider the following statement. The quantity this is called the impedance of the system and has the unit of ohm. 2. The maximum current flows in the circuit if XL equal to XC. 3. The resistance R at the resonance point is always 0. Which of the following statement which of the statement are correct or are true? Okay, now this question is related to a topic in physics, RLC circuits. So now with understanding of this topic, we'll be able to answer this question accurately. Let's start from option 1. The first statement. Identify whether statement 1 is true or not, so as to know which of the option here carries the correct answer. Now option 1 says the quantity square root of XL. XL here is the reactance of the inductor, because RLC circuit is a circuit that has 3 components. We have the resistor, the inductor, and the capacitor. Now the reactance of the inductor, and then XC is the reactance of the capacitor. Then R is the resistance of the circuit. Now this quantity here is actually called the impedance of the system. So statement 1 is correct, and the impedance equally has the same unit as ohm, the unit of ohm, which is the same as the unit of the resistance. So statement 1 is correct. This quantity is called the impedance of the system, and the unit of impedance is ohm. Now we check question option 2, or statement 2, which says the maximum current flows in the circuit if XL equal to XC. Like I said already, XL means the reactance of the inductor, and XC means the reactance of the capacitor. Now the maximum current flows in the circuit if XL equal to XC. Now XL, the reactance of the inductor, is equal to the reactance of the capacitor only at the point of resonance. So at resonance we have that XL is equal to XC, and then this means that the net impedance in the circuit or in the system is now minimum at the point when the reactance of the inductor is equal to the reactance of the capacitor. So it results to a net impedance to be minimum, and when the impedance is minimum, this now results to the flow of maximum current, or the highest flow of current. So we agree that statement 2 is correct, because when XL is equal to XC, we have a point of resonance, and at resonance we have a maximum current that flow past the points in the circuit. Then option 3 now says the resistance R at the resonance point is always 0, but option 3 is wrong. We already have that option 1 is correct, so we can actually eliminate this option B and option D. We are left with option A and option C to choose from, and from here, in fact, the resistance R at the resonance point is always 0. We say no, the resistance at resonance is not always 0. Instead, the resistance at resonance is the same as the impedance. What is resonance? Resonance is the result of oscillations in a circuit as stored energy passes from one inductor to the from the inductor to the capacitor. So now, at resonance, we have that the reactance of the inductor is the same as the reactance of the capacitor. So here we have that at resonance, when resonance occurs, XL is equal to XC. It only occurs at resonance, and then the impedance of the circuit is the same as the resistance. So we disagree with statement 3. The resistance is not 0 at the resonance. Instead, the resistance is the same as the impedance. But now the total reactance, the net reactance will be 0. What is net reactance? At resonance, the net reactance means the reactance of the inductor minus the reactance of the capacitor, and now the difference gives us a 0 normally at resonance. But here we are not talking about the net reactance, rather we are talking about the resistance, and at resonance the resistance is not 0. So statement 3 is wrong. This makes D and B to be wrong. In fact, we have that statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and statement 3 is false, and therefore 1 and 2 are correct. Like we have done just question 30, but Fet of 2022 had more than such questions. We had 80 MCQs in math and 80 MCQs in physics. So you can come for the complete paper and the complete solution as well, PDF or video solution. You can get to us on WhatsApp. So now we are concluding that the option that has the correct answer is A, option A, because answer 1 and 2, statement 1 and 2 are correct. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You do well to share the video as well, and then stay tuned to the channel for new video notifications. Thank you.